Okay, we have a Mori-Seiki 4-axis horizontal machining center, model NH5000 DCG, serial number NH502IF1111. Machine was new in 2009. We're going to run her for you. Machine has a Cat 40 spindle, 14,000 RPM, max speed. You have a 19.7 by 19.7 or 500 millimeter pallet. 1,100 pound capacity on the pallet. That's 3,000 RPM. Very quiet. We're going to go up 6,000 RPM. 8,000 RPM. 10,000 RPM. That's 12,000 RPM. Again, the max is 14. You have a 60 tool capacity automatic tool changer. Your travels are 28.7 in the X, 28.7 in the Y, and 33.5 in the Z. We're going to do a tool changer, simulate one. It's a 50/30 horsepower spindle. You also have a chip blaster unit with it for cooling through the spindle, 1,000 PSI. Sure. We're going to do a pallet change. The machine also has a Mori-Seiki MSX701 Roman numeral 3 control. All right, we're going to jog the axes. That's your Z, that's your B. 360,000 degree index. That's your Y. And your X. Machine has double ball screws. Also, you have a chip conveyor. And hey, I think you've seen it all. Thank you for watching our video.